अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप। सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
Hello guys, I'm Shikha, a nutritionist, and you're watching me on Oziva TV. Did you know that September is celebrated as the PCOS Awareness Month? Many of us might know that PCOS is the most common hormonal disorder in women of reproductive age. It affects every 1 in 5 Indian women. Now, PCOS can be different for every woman. So there is a need to understand the root cause before driving solutions, as many of these women are unaware of the condition and the ways to manage it. While there are many women with PCOS who develop cysts, there are some women without PCOS who can even develop cysts. And in the similar manner, there are women with PCOS who do not develop cysts. Quite complicated, right? So many questions and even more answers. We here at Oziva want to empower you to be better har tarah with the right information and the ways to manage these symptoms with clean plant-based nutrition. Well, this is one of the most frequently asked questions. Though the exact cause of PCOS is not known, factors like hormonal imbalance, genetics, and lifestyle do play a crucial role. One of our studies suggests that up to 70% of women with PCOS have insulin resistance. Now, high insulin levels can impair the ovulation, and that causes the ovaries to make excess androgens, that is the male hormone. This leads to excessive body hair growth, scalp hair loss, acne, and irregular periods. Another study suggests that women with PCOS are 50% more likely to have a female relative like mother, sister, daughter with PCOS. As such, there is no cure for PCOS, but you shouldn't worry too much because its symptoms like irregular periods, unwanted hair growth, acne, skin darkening, and difficulty in getting pregnant can be easily managed. Well, this is an interesting question. So, consuming a clean plant-based diet along with daily practice of workouts and yoga has been shown to have an effective approach in managing PCOS and reduce the severity of symptoms. So basically, the first step towards PCOS management is to adopt a healthy and a holistic lifestyle. As you know, what you eat plays an essential role and majorly affects your health. So the main focus here is on your diet. That will help improve the regulation of hormones, and that will in turn improve the symptoms like acne, excess hair growth, fertility, and ovulation. In a sense, a healthy and a balanced lifestyle approach will also aim to reduce risk of related health conditions like type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. With PCOS, it may be challenging to shed your weight, but not impossible. As per research, a weight loss of even 5% will help improve the PCOS symptoms. But there are a few things that you have to keep in mind. Firstly, keeping a watch on your carb intake. That is, giving more importance to the quality of carbs that you are eating than the quantity of carbs. Secondly, having a diet rich in fiber and protein, consisting of foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, lentils, beans, etc., which will help regulate the hormones, weight, as well as its insulin function. Thirdly, including more pre- and probiotic food in your diet, as women with PCOS have comparatively lower numbers of beneficial gut bacteria. Having foods like strawberries, kale, spinach, quinoa, and fermented foods will help support the gut bacteria. Last but not the least, maintain a proper sleep pattern as well as stress-free lifestyle. Many people do find it confusing, which is completely normal. But the most important thing to remember here is having a diet that is nutritionally balanced and healthy, thus promoting PCOS management. Though a small percentage of women may have gluten sensitivity, for these women, eliminating gluten from the diet may help reduce the symptoms and ultimately help in better nutrient absorption. In a similar manner, milk has a component called lactose, which many people are intolerant to. In such cases, dairy consumption can lead to acne or bloating and indigestion. Depending on the severity, it should be either eliminated, restricted, or substituted with a plant-based milk in the diet. Well, again, the most important thing to remember here is having a diet that is nutritionally balanced and healthy, thus promoting PCOS management. As we have already seen what are the foods that we can include in our diet, let's see what to avoid. So, in general, a woman with PCOS should avoid foods that are widely considered to be unhealthy, like white bread, muffins, pastry and sugary dessert, and anything that is made up of white flour. Secondly, avoid fried and fast food from your diet. Lastly, avoid the sugary beverages like soda and energy drinks that are readily available in the market. Well, Oziva Her Balance of PCOS contains a standardized herbal extract that will assist in regulating hormonal balance, support menstrual cycle in women, and simultaneously help in managing other PCOS symptoms. As such, there is no exercise or yoga that is best for PCOS, but by following a regular exercise or yoga routine will help to boost your overall health. If you are keen to know which of the exercise or yoga are good to follow regularly, you can check in the description below and do it at your convenience. Yes, surely it is possible. With proper lifestyle management, a woman with PCOS can lead a happier, healthier and a fitter life. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Oziva TV for more such amazing videos. If you have any more queries, do let us know in the comments below. Bye guys, see you soon.